Hi, I'm Britlicious, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish. I'm here with today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase is, in a jiffy, and this video English lesson will be over in a jiffy. If you really want to understand what in a jiffy means, you can get the English Activation Pack exclusively at the Britlish Library. Choose to pay what you want to pay for full access to the entire Britlish library of English language lessons, including the new English in a Jiffy series of 5-minute lessons. You can take out a monthly, biannual, or annual subscription, or just a monthly library pass, in a jiffy at Britlish. Click the link below and you'll be at Britlish in a jiffy. If you really want to activate your English, visit the Britlish Library today. If you want more of my phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment. I'll be back.